Hey folks, it's Joe again, coming to you on a beautiful February day in Colorado Springs. I'm only about 10 or 15 minutes from my house. It is 65 degrees out today, just another unbelievably beautiful day. And I've got another beautiful car. This is a 2008 Carrera S. Carrera S, of course, means two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive. 2008 is 997 generation, 997.1. Those were 2005 to 2008 on the Carrera S, Carrera 4S. So this has a 3.8 liter naturally aspirated motor and a proper manual transmission. 5-spoke wheels. And let me just walk around and show you the car. It's nice. I wouldn't say it's Concours nice, but it's just nice. Just a little bit of a crease there. This car does have a minor showing on the Carfax. I've paint metered the entire car looking for any evidence of paint work, and there is none. So I think it's safe to assume that any work done on the car as a result of that Carfax would have been just a bumper cover. As you look at the front of the car, of course, you expect a little bit of patina. This would polish, though. Just a little bit of sandblasting on the fog lights. This could be polished to be cleaned up. Front really isn't bad at all. If you look closely, yeah, just a little bit of wear, but not bad. Almost no wear underneath. I think I saw on this side just a little scratch in the rocker there. Of course, it has tinted windows here. Inside, there was one flaw. Let me see. That hanger there for the coat hook, that plastic piece has come off. And there was a missing cap. I mean, we're really nitpicking here. Look at the seats, though. Almost no wear on the seat bolsters. They look really, really, really good. The buttons, sometimes these buttons will wear. They look really good as well. Shift lever looks good. Steering wheel looks good. Look at this mileage. 52,090 miles. The current owner of this car is a retired automotive technician. He's taking very good care of the car. The history shows good maintenance. Oh, I know, I wanted to show this too. There's a couple chips in the windshield. We're going to see if his insurance covers that. If so, we'll get that replaced. If not, you just need to know that there's a couple chips on the windshield. Like I said, 52,000 miles. Not as cheap as a 996, but man, these are nice cars with 355 horsepower, 0 to 60, I think in 4.7, 4.8 seconds. This is a really, really nice driver's car. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see that Carfax, if you'd like to see a build sheet, if you'd like to see some more detailed pictures, just give me a call. My number is 720-382-6167. And as always, I really appreciate you watching.